we learned about compounds, periodic table, different elements, and how they all fit together when they bond. And so one of the best ways to do that is to bake cakes. You're measuring ingredients, you're combining ingredients, and then you're adding energy, which is going to turn that into a cake. And cooking is actually a chemical change. While it's a lot of fun to do, they're actually improving their measurement skills.
So we had like a moles of a certain amount of ingredients, and we had to convert that to grams, and we used that, like the amount of grams, to create a recipe. And then what we did was we combined those ingredients and we put it in a microwave for about a minute, and we had a cake.
And once they make a control cake, they'll write observations about it. They follow that up with modifying one of the other ingredients in the cake, and that will affect the outcome of what the cake looks like. Some of the cakes were really good. Some of the cakes were less than spectacular, but they enjoyed it.
It was a fun lab. I think it was my favorite that we have done all year. We messed up our first 2 cakes and it tasted weird at first, but then once we knew how to convert grams into moles, and it taught us how to like make a better cake.
They did a really nice job. I was impressed, and they wanted to keep baking. So maybe we'll circle back to that in the coming months.